Introducing the Sarix Modular, Pelco's most compact video security camera. Flexible imager modules with detachable cables for easy installation that can be mounted in a variety of orientations and in discrete locations that require an unobtrusive video security solution. Capture people of interest and scenes of interest with 3 and 5 megapixel resolution options for the micro bullet. H.265 smart technology for reduced bandwidth and storage. Enhanced object detection and classification with smart analytics powered by Motorola Solutions. And true wide dynamic range to capture high-quality image details in scenes with dark and light backgrounds. On-Viv Profile SG&T compliance for easy integration with video management systems. The Sarix Modular. A lightweight, discrete security camera for flexible deployment and installations in confined spaces. Built in Pelco's American factories, backed by a 5-year warranty from a brand you trust.